For many creative professionals, Apple's MacBook Pro is often seen as the gold standard for work laptops. But plenty of users either prefer Windows or need features macOS simply doesn't offer. Fortunately, there are excellent Windows laptops that match or even surpass the MacBook in performance, portability, and design. Whether you're after more power, better value, or just a fresh change, we've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the best MacBook alternatives that combine premium build quality with impressive performance. Number 1. Asus ZenBook S16 Premium 16-inch Ultrabook. The Asus ZenBook S16 is a high-end ultrabook built for creatives. Its 3K OLED touchscreen delivers stunning colors, deep contrast, and multi-touch support, perfect for design and video editing work. Powered by AMD Ryzen 9 and Radeon graphics, it can easily handle demanding creative workloads. The display also switches dynamically between 60 Hz and 120 Hz for smooth visuals without compromising battery life. Weighing just 1.1 kilograms, it's among the lightest 16-inch laptops you can buy and lasts up to 15 hours on a charge. You also get plenty of connectivity with USB-C and HDMI ports. The only drawback is its fanless design, which may limit sustained performance during heavy workloads. Priced at around $1,599, it's a strong option for those who value display quality, portability, and all-day battery life. Number 2. Acer Swift Go 16. Affordable OLED productivity laptop. If you want a balance of performance and price, the Acer Swift Go 16 is a fantastic mid-range choice. It's powered by Intel's Core Ultra processors, giving it enough muscle for office tasks, creative work, and even light gaming. Its 16-inch 3.2K OLED display offers rich colors and deep blacks, great for both content consumption and editing. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, which is fine for everyday work, though the limited memory could hold it back in video editing or heavy multitasking. Battery life is solid at around 10 hours, and while the screen is beautiful, its peak brightness isn't as high as some rivals. At $899, it delivers a premium OLED experience at a fraction of the MacBook's price. Number 3. Asus ZenBook S14, lightweight MacBook Air alternative. For those who want something thinner and lighter, the Asus ZenBook S14 is a fantastic option. It features a 2.8K OLED display and a super slim chassis and is powered by Intel's Core i7-1360p processor. You can configure it with up to 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of fast SSD storage, making it great for professionals and students who need speed and reliability. The OLED screen delivers rich color and sharp detail, while battery life can exceed 15 hours, ideal for working on the go. The trade-off for its slim profile is fewer ports, so you may need an adapter for extra connectivity. Priced at $1,599, it's an excellent alternative to the MacBook Air with premium performance and portability. Number 4. Asus TUF Gaming A14, high-performance gaming and creative workhorse. The Asus TUF Gaming A14 isn't just for gamers, it's a powerhouse for creative professionals who need raw performance. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX 370 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4050 graphics, it's ideal for video editing, 3D modeling, and of course, gaming. Its 14-inch Full HD Plus display supports a 165 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals, and with up to 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, it's ready for heavy workloads. It also includes NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, which switches the GPU on only when needed to save battery life, giving you up to 10 hours for lighter tasks. However, the fans can get loud under heavy load, and at $1,199, it's pricier than other options. Still, it's one of the few MacBook alternatives with dedicated graphics for serious performance. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Pro 11, versatile 2-in-1 for portability. For maximum flexibility, the Microsoft Surface Pro 11 combines the portability of a tablet with the power of a laptop. It's powered by the new Snapdragon X Plus or X Elite ARM processors, offering great efficiency and speed, similar to Apple's M-series chips. You can get up to 64 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage, making it highly capable for creative applications like Photoshop and Premiere Pro. The 13-inch PixelSense touchscreen is sharp, responsive, and perfect for pen input, though the keyboard and stylus are sold separately. Battery life is strong at up to 14 hours, and its lightweight design makes it ideal for mobile professionals. Starting at $954, It's a compelling MacBook alternative for those who want a device that works as both a laptop and a tablet.